Hey guys, this is HP LaserJet M140WE. I received a question. Someone asked how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct with computer. Check my videos. I've connected this printer to Wi-Fi direct with mobile device. So what I want to show you now is to connect it to laptop. And this is the mobile device here, and this is the printer showing us ready here via mobile device. Now, what you need to do is make sure the printer is on, then the Wi-Fi direct Wi-Fi button is off. Then you go to copy button, press it and hold for 5 seconds to print out network configuration paper. Then you release it. Now wait for the printer to print out document. If you try it for the first time, it didn't go, then try it again. Press and hold the copy button, then release. Now the printer is flashing. I see the printer is flashing. Then you wait for the network paper to be printed out. Here we go. So this is the printer configuration report. Then you look Wi-Fi direct setup. It will show you the password and the Wi-Fi direct IP address. Now the next thing we need to do is you need to go to your Wi-Fi network, go to your printer, internet network available, select on it. So go to available network, select available network, and then you will see, you will see Wi-Fi direct from the list. So it will show you available network. From the list, it will show you available network. So you need to select Wi-Fi direct. So I'm going to select Wi-Fi direct. Now it will ask you connect automatically, remove connect automatically, then select connect. It give you option for you to put the password. So now we're going to type the password. I have the password information here. So I'm going to put the password. And also remember to put dash. Okay, you can also press the I sign at the end for you to see. You can also press the I sign to check the password to make sure the information you put is correct. So this is what I'm doing now, just to double check it. And I'm happy with it. So the next you need to do is you need to select next. So now it's checking the network requirement. No internet and is connected. No internet secured. So now this printer is connected via Wi-Fi direct. No internet secured. Now the next we need to do is go to printer settings. Then you go to printers and scanner. Now you select add a device. And you can see it's showing us HP LaserJet printer available. You select add a device. And it's connecting and initialization. Printer ready, showing us now printer ready. So you can see printer ready. Now you can print document. If you can print document from the printer straight away. So you go to wherever you save document. For instance, select, go to your file. The reason why I'm showing you this, sometimes people don't want to go to HP Smart App. So then go to wherever you save your documents, select, open up the document. This is the document, 3 pages document, but I will only print the first 2 pages. So go on top and select print icon on top. Okay, then scroll down from the side and look for this printer. This printer is HP LaserJet. Scroll down. Here we go. The printer is here. HP LaserJet is ready. Select on it. And you wait for the document. Okay, this is 3 pages document. Here's the document here. But I only want to print 1 page. So select print page 1 only. 1 of 1. Then scroll and select print on one side. Print on one side. So this is the document. Here we go. This is the document we are printing. Then select print. Here we go. So this is the document we printed out. This is to show you that this printer is connected via Wi-Fi direct, and we printed this document out. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.